Palazzo Reale to the GROHE SPA installation.
Luxury changes over years.
Luxury, it has to be perfect quality, it has to function consistently well.
Talking about memorable moments, how can we replicate things that we see in nature?
We need to review our way of design.
We as human beings are programmed to need for our well-being, which is connected to natural elements. So light being very important, air being very important.
Because if you look around what the GROHE SPA team have put together, it is the celebration of the senses.